www.gibsonTruckWorld. Calm 2008 Chevy Silverado 3500 LTZ Quad Cab Dual Utility Bed Duramax Diesel 4-wheel drive with 1 year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills, and have the truck inspected by a third party. Riding on $1,200 of 6 brand new Nittos, $2,250 navigation with CD player, $470 backup camera, $300 DC running boards, dual power heated leather seating with memory, OnStar, wood grain interior trim, tilt steering, cruise control, O-line in, keyless entry, alarm, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-bay service,